Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah wa syukurillah la haula wa la quwwata illa billah. Okay, my name is Tartil Kefari, which student ID 22018071. Okay, I'm present about article multiliteracy pedagogy in English language teaching. Okay, the title welcome everyone. Today I'm I'm excited to talk about some important finding from this research on teaching English, focusing especially on multiliteracy pedagogy. This method aim to boost students' critical reading skill. Okay, what is multiliteracies? Okay, let's start with the term multiliteracies. This word refers to different ways people understand and communicate ideas today. It goes beyond reading books and writing essay. In this current world, this use various forms of communication. For example, we send text message, share videos, and engage with social media. All this from require different skill. Teaching multiliteracies means that we help students to become not just good readers and writers, but also effective user of various communication methods. This is very important because our society is constantly changing, and students need to be prepared for this change. Okay, next is the importance of critical reading. Now, let's discuss what we mean by critical reading. Critical reading is not just about looking at word on page. It is involves thinking deeply about the content. When students read critically, they thinking about the message behind the text. They ask a question like, "What does the author want me to believe?" Or, "Do I agree with what I am reading?" Next, this type of reading encourage students to recognize their own thoughts and feelings as they read, making them more aware of any biases they might have. By engaging the text in this way, they become more skilled and understanding different viewpoints and forming their own opinion. Next is research goals or study overview based on research. In this study, this main goal was to find out how to teacher use situate practice within the multiliteracy framework in their classroom. Uh, you might wonder what is situated practice. Situated practice means learning in real life situation. It involves connecting what students learn in the classroom with their everyday life. For example, if students read a story about technology, they might discuss how technology is used in their own home or communities. Uh, this focus on your student who are studying become teacher themselves. This goal was to see how effectively this teaching method help to them develop critical reading skill that they will need as future educators. Next is methodology this research. To carry out this research, this use a method called qualitative research. This approach means this look for detailed information rather than just collecting numbers or statistics. This observe class to see how teacher interacted with the student during lesson. This allows to understand the teaching methods they use. This this also interview a lecture to learn about their strategies, the challenge they face, and how they prepare students for critical reading. By combining observation interview, they gather rich information about how this teacher approach multiliteracies in their teaching. Okay, next key finding from this study. Now let's talk about some of important things with things them found from this research. One major discovery is that when teachers use engaging and interactive activities in their lesson, students show a big improvement in their critical thinking skill. For example, activities like group discussion, debates, and using technology to explore content really excited the student. They report feeling more confidence when talking about text, which which show that active participation can lead to better understanding and learning. They found that students who engaged in these activities were better at analyzing the text they read. They could think critically about the information and make a connection to their own experience. Next is the role of the teacher or the role of the lecturer. An interesting an interesting aspect of this finding is the role of the teacher in the classroom. Teachers are not just there to deliver lecture. They serve as guides and mentors. Effective teachers create a friendly classroom atmosphere where students feel comfortable sharing their ideas without fear of judgment. The supportive environment encourages students to participate and ask questions. For example, in this observation, uh, uh, she show she show teacher asking tough or provoking question that encourage students to think more deeply. This teacher managed discussion in a way that promoted open dialogue among students, allowing them to learn from each other. Next is strategies or engaging teaching strategies. Let's explore some specific strategies that teacher can use to make their lesson more engaging for students. One effective method is connect listen to real life example. When teacher relate reading materials to recent news, social issues, or even popular culture, listen become more interesting and relatable for students. Next, technology is another fantastic tool that can be used in the classroom. Teacher can incorporate videos, online articles, and interactive game. For instance, they might show a video about environmental issues and then engage in a discussion about it. Additionally, organizing group activities where students work together on projects can be very beneficial. This not only help them to learn from the lesson, but also build a skill like teamwork and communication. Next is recommendation for teacher of the lecture. Based in the findings, we have I I have some important recommendation for teacher. The first, we suggest that teacher incorporate we suggest that teacher incorporate a variety of teaching method within the multiliteracy framework. Having a mixed activities can keep students engaged and excited about learning. Next, fostering a collaborative learning environment is essential. When students work in group, they can share ideas, challenge each other, misconception, and support one another in their learning journey. Okay, the last, providing regular feedback to students is vital. Feedback helps students understand what they are doing well and where they can improve. It is acts a guide from their learning. Okay, future next future research direction. Looking ahead, I propose some areas for future research in this field. Next is one suggestion is to carry out comparative studies to see how different teaching methods like traditional versus multiliteracy approach impact students' reading skill. Additionally, since more students are learning online, it could be valuable to study how multiliteracy pedagogy can to adapt to online education. Ensuring students remain engaged in a virtual classroom can present unique challenges and opportunities. And finally, it is important to develop better tools to measure students' critical reading skills. Having clear assessment can help teachers know how effectively they are developing these skills in their students. Okay, next is a conclusion based on research in article. In conclusion, this research highlight the importance of using multiliteracies in teaching to enhance students' critical reading skill. When teachers apply this innovative approach, they help students think critically and analyze what they read. In a rapidly changing world, it is essential for education to evolve. By teaching a critical reading skill, we prepare students to handle real-world situation thoughtfully and make informed choice in their life. Okay, thank you for so much for listening and watching this video. I welcome any question you may have. Feel I share you thought opinion or experience regarding teaching, reading, and use of multiliteracy education. Okay, please write your question in comment in this YouTube. And please this video, please share, subscribe, and like. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you. If I have some mistakes, I'm apologize and I'm so sorry. Uh, thank you very much. See you. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sorry, I can wait. I can I can't pause this video. Okay.